If you've ever felt your laptop turn into a miniature space heater during an intense gaming session or a heavy video rendering task, you know how quickly heat can kill your performance. The Kootek Laptop Cooling Pad is a long-standing favorite for a reason. It's an affordable, effective all-rounder that tackles both overheating and ergonomics in one slim package. Here is the breakdown of why this remains a go-to accessory for laptop users in 2026. Why it stands out: powerful cooling versatility. It's equipped with 5 fans, one large central fan surrounded by 4 smaller ones. You don't have to run them all at once either. The dual switch design lets you choose between running just the center, just the 4 outer fans, or all 5 at once. This gives you control over the balance between cooling power and noise levels. Ergonomic design. This does more than just cool your machine. It functions as an adjustable stand with 6 different height settings. You can tilt your screen to eye level, which is a massive help for reducing neck and back strain during long work or gaming marathons. Universal compatibility. Designed with a metal mesh surface and front stoppers, it comfortably accommodates laptops ranging from 12 inches up to 17 inches, keeping them secure even when tilted at higher angles. Extra connectivity includes 2 USB 2.0 ports. While these aren't high-speed data ports, they are best used for peripherals like a mouse, keyboard, or wireless dongles. They help reclaim a port on your laptop that you might otherwise lose to the cooling pad's power cable. What to expect? Real-world impact. Don't expect magic temperature drops, but you can realistically expect a reduction of 3 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius under load, depending on your laptop's specific ventilation layout. This is often enough to stabilize frame rates, prevent thermal throttling, and extend the lifespan of your components. Build quality. It's constructed from a mix of plastic and metal mesh. While it is lightweight and portable, it's not built like an industrial tank, so treat it with the care you would give any tech accessory. The pro tip: for the best performance, many users find that plugging the pad into an external USB wall charger, rather than directly into your laptop, reduces the power draw on your computer, allowing it to focus 100% of its resources on your tasks. Is it right for you? The Kootek is a fantastic budget-friendly choice for someone who wants a quiet, versatile cooling solution that also doubles as a solid ergonomic stand. It's perfect for office work, home study, or casual gaming. If you are running an extremely high-end, desktop replacement gaming laptop that generates massive amounts of heat, you might eventually want to look at more specialized, high-pressure industrial coolers. But for the vast majority of users, this pad hits the perfect sweet spot between price, utility, and performance. If you are ready to give your laptop a breath of fresh air and improve your workspace comfort, you can find the best price for the Kootek Laptop Cooling Pad by clicking the link below.